In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload CapCut project to cloud. Uploading your project to the cloud is the easiest way to back up your work, access it from different devices, and keep everything in sync. Before you begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and that CapCut is updated to the latest version so the interface matches what you see here. Start by opening CapCut on your device. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in to the account where you want the project to live. Using the correct account matters because your cloud projects are tied to it. Once the app is open, give it a second to load your workspace and drafts, especially if you have a lot of projects. Next, look for the Spaces area. This is CapCut's cloud workspace, and it's where your uploaded projects will live. On desktop, you'll typically find Spaces in the sidebar. On mobile, it may appear as a tab or icon toward the bottom. Click Spaces to enter that cloud view. Think of this as your online project shelf. Anything here is stored in the cloud and can be accessed from other devices that use the same account or team space. Inside Spaces, click Upload. This button is usually near the top right or presented as a plus icon labeled Upload. Clicking it opens a selector where you can choose what you want to send to the cloud. If you see multiple options, stick with the one that corresponds to projects rather than just media, because we're moving a CapCut project, not only individual clips. Now, select the project you want to upload. Pick the correct draft or project file from the list. If you've used clear names, this part will be quick. If not, preview titles or timestamps to make sure you've got the right one. Once selected, confirm the upload. You'll see a progress indicator. Keep CapCut open and avoid putting your device to sleep until the upload completes, especially for larger projects with lots of media. Using a reliable Wi-Fi connection will help prevent interruptions and speed things up. When the upload finishes, the project will appear in Spaces with a cloud indicator. From here, you can open it on another device signed in to the same account and continue editing without missing a beat. If you're working with a team or switching between desktop and mobile, this is a great way to stay consistent and avoid version chaos. Quick tip for the future: name your projects clearly and keep media organized before uploading, so it's easy to find and manage in the cloud later on. And that's it. Open CapCut, go to Spaces, click Upload, and select your project. You're all set to work seamlessly from the cloud.